Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look. Gonna be drinking. Look. Smoking. Look. Swearing. Look. Here I come in 3. Look. 2. Look. 1. Look. Bang! Welcome, everyone. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. And we have an outstanding one for you today. Yes, indeed. Look. Oh, we have an outstanding one. Oh, yes, you'll see right here. Look. First story. Hold on, let me get my beverages in order. Fucking corner store, man, ran out of the regular size water. I had to get mega water. The mega bottle. Fucking mega bottle. Look, getting mega. Oh, because the story I'm about to tell you is worth mega. Look. So look, guys. Binance one-ups Bitfinex. So we're going to talk about that. What do you mean? That's the teaser. If I tell you now, well, you don't have to listen to the story. That's the teaser. They one-up Bitfinex. I'm going to tell you later. Well, in a second here. Look, and then Fidelity. Bang! Oh, that is the mega. Mega water for the mega story. Fidelity rolls out crypto custody. Bang! Custody! Fidelity rolls out crypto custody, boys and girls. And I'll get into the ramifications of what that means when we get there. I'm so excited. I want to tell you right now. And then, I like to leave you on a Saturday with a happy story. So at the end, we're going to talk about Bitcoin as a store of value. Store of value, which is what I've been telling you guys since the beginning of the show. So let's get to it, brothers. Oh, look, brothers. Fidelity. Here they come. Bye. Yes. Oh, yeah, brothers. Look. Bye. All right. Let's do a refresh. Do a little refresh. Bye. Yeesh. All right. What do we got here? Bitcoin is at $7,966. When I left you yesterday, it was at $7,921, which is an increase of, what is that, $45. Yay, we're rich. All right. Look, top 10 of the day, brothers. Usual suspects. Top 10 of the day. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Tether, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Binance Coin, EOS, Bitcoin SV, and Stellar. Market moves of the day, brothers. Well, the usual. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up to single digits down. Single digits up to single digits down. Single digits up to single digits down. 2 single digits up to single digits down. All right. All right, let's look at the top 10 losers of the day, brothers. You see anything on here you like, you go get it because it is on sale. Bye. Yes. Look, top 10 losers of the day, brothers. MadeSafe Coin, V Systems, Bitcoin Gold, Digitex Futures, Sia Coin, Monero, NEM, Synthetics Network, Bytecoin, and Lisk. Let's see who made money today. Bang! Top 10 gainers of the day. Chiliz, Solve. I never heard of that one before. Chiliz, Solve, ABBC Coin, Dentacoin, Hollow, Tron, Newton, Bitcoin Diamond, Nexo, and Elf. Let's look at total market cap of the day, brothers. What do we got? 216.8. All right. And when I left you yesterday, it was 215.4. So we went up $1.4 billion. And total volume of the day. All right, $53.6 billion volume on the day. And when I left you yesterday, it was 55.2. So we went down. What was that? 1.6 billion? Or is that 2.6 billion? Something like that. Look, we went down a bunch. Bang! Binance one-ups Bitfinex with its latest feature, not recommended for new traders. Now, I love how they do this, and that's what's good, actually. All right, so the story is about Binance on their futures contracts now. Oh, yeah, baby. 125 times leverage. Yes. So, so they tell people not recommended for new traders because leverage will kill you. When I first started in the Forex market, I cut my teeth on 400 to 1 leverage. Yeah, 400 to 1 leverage I had. And let me tell you, man, prices move real quick. Losses, or not prices, but your losses and gains, they move real quick when you have leverage. And so I like it. What I'm saying about Binance is, I like it how Binance is being honest with these guys, like basically telling, these guys, look, if you don't know what you're doing with the leverage, be careful. They're at least warning them. They're not just letting them lose all their money, right? I'm sure many of them won't listen, though. They don't understand what leverage is. They're going to get crushed. But look, Binance one-ups Bitfinex, which is with its latest feature, not recommended for new traders. All right, check it out. Yeah, if you're new here, I'm a Forex trader. And, I started with 401 leverage. You'd make a $200 trade. Yeah, you'd make 2 G's off like some little move like that. Well, I guess that's not really, you can't tell with the size of that. But just off of nothing. Yeah, but you lose 2 G's off of that too. So, you have to remember it works both ways. And that's the problem. When you give new people leverage, they don't get it. They think of all the money they'll make. Yeah, think of all the money you're going to lose, motherfucker. That's what you should think of. Anyways, though, look. Here we go. It has just been over a month since the leading cryptocurrency exchange launched its futures platform. In the past 30 days, Binance Futures has been making a new record after another for Bitcoin USD contracts, leaving other exchanges behind. Nice. At one point, the trading volume recorded by Binance Futures surpassed the volume registered by Binance's spot exchange. Now, Binance has taken its so spot market is what you buy on, right? All right, let me explain a little something just so if you're new, you can follow along, right? This is called the spot market. Bang! In other words, right here, right? Like the price of the Bitcoin right there, $7,966. Yeah, that's what you pay, and you get it right now on the spot. That's what's called the spot market. You pay exactly the price you see, and you get your product on the spot. There's a futures contract. You pay for it first, but then you get it later in the future. Aren't they creative with the names? But yeah, you get it in the future, okay? So, look. Now, Binance has taken its competition to the most popular derivatives exchange in the market, BitMEX, at another level by introducing a new feature. Wait a second. Didn't they say Bitfinex up here? Yeah, they said Bitfinex. All right, whatever, man. Because it is BitMEX. BitMEX is the big one, the big futures, crypto futures thing. Right? We read it yesterday. Anyways, though, or we saw that chart. Remember the chart? Because what was it? Right. Remember, QMEX is going to launch their Bitcoin futures, and so they showed the chart. Was it QMEX? Anyway, man. Anyways, BitMEX is the top futures, crypto futures in the world. So this new feature is okay. So here it is. Look. So look. This new feature is the maximum leverage on Binance futures that has been increased to 125 times. Bang! Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, man. Futures, look, man, guys, holy. I mean, leverage, sorry, not futures, but leverage, it's very powerful. It allows you, even with just a little money, to control a lot more. And so, for instance, I'm a Forex trader, right? My money makes me money. I don't have a 9-to-5 job. If you're new here, go to forexfactory.com, type in my name, Shomari, in the search. Press enter. Then you see my profile, bang, press enter. Yeah, you'll see my old trades and stuff like that. Like, I'm an actual trader. You know what I mean? I'm not some guy who goes to some job and then comes here and does this. No, I am a Forex trader. I'm a market killer. And so you can go down, and on the left, if you go into the profile, go down to the left, in the middle of the page, there will be a thing that says images. You can press those. Those are some of my old trades. And I know you're, well, why are these old trades? Yeah, well, that shows you how long I've been doing it, right? Yeah, if I showed you trades from this year, well, I'd be like, well, how do I know you've even made any money, fuckstick? Yeah, go in. You can read everything you want. All my posts, everything, all of it. It's all right there. It's all dated, time-stamped, all of it. You're talking to an actual market killer. Okay? I'm a Forex trader, a real one. You know what I'm saying? Well, I mean, there's no fake one, but what I'm saying is, in other words, I don't have a job and then I come home and trade Forex like how guys go to their 9-to-5 job and then go on their E-Trade thing when they get home. No, my job is Forex. My job is slaughtering institutional investors every day. Daily. Look, I was on duty. But but the leverage, yes. So they're giving 125 times leverage. So this means users, I was explaining to you leverage. So that's how leverage works. Like when you're in a leveraged market, you control way more than you actually have money in. No, that's not a good way to say it. The money you put in it's given more power with this stuff called leverage. So you make way more money. Like that's why I was telling you about Forex. So I'm a Forex trader, right? And so when the Australian dollar goes down 2 pennies against the yen, yeah, I make hundreds of dollars. Right? Yeah, because of leverage. Yeah, if it wasn't leverage, well, I'd just make 2 pennies. Right? Well, depending on how big the trade was, right? But you know what I mean? But it's worth trading Forex because I have 50-to-1 leverage. I know. I used to have 400-to-1. That was back in the days, and then the housing crash happened, and then they cut us down to 50. But leverage. So leverage allows you to control more than you've actually put money in. And so you make money off of just sort of being given extra stuff. Not extra stuff. That's not the way to say it, but I don't know how to explain it. You just make more, right? But the thing is this, you also lose more. It works both ways. And these companies, they usually, they lure you in with, look at all the money you can make. Yeah, but look at all that you can lose. All right. You should always remember that. Look at this, though. This means users can now, so let's continue with the story. This means users can now adjust the leverage function between 1 and 125. If they allow that mid-trade, that's too easy. That's why that OKX thing, I thought that was a scam. I was like, there's no way they're going to let you adjust your leverage. Because now it's too easy to make money. But now I get it. Guys like me, we know what we're doing. We'll make money. But these other guys are going to get slaughtered. They're going to crank that leverage up to 125 times, get stopped out real quick. If you are going to do this future stuff, and you get to adjust your leverage, turn the leverage off when you first start. Bitcoin is too crazy. It's too volatile. 100-to-1 leverage. Yeah, well, when Bitcoin goes down $100, Dude, you just went down 10 G's. Okay? Just turn the leverage off. Yeah, and ride it out. And just wait. Wait till Bitcoin gets up to like, 15, 16 G and that, and then start cranking it up. All right. Because I tell you right. All right, man, fuck it. Well, I'll tell you right now, these guys are getting in here, and I bet you they're at 125 leverage. They're getting stopped out instantaneously. So trading up to 100. So we're down here now. Trading up to 125 leverage is now live on Bitcoin Futures, the exchange announced. We've seen an increase in institutional participation in trading, and they are flocking to Binance Futures, said Changpeng Zhao, the CEO. I doubt that. I'll show you where they are going to be flocking in a second. Wow, let me correct myself. Not the mega boys, but there are boys, I'm sure. Yeah, there's like smaller hedge funds in that flocking. All right. I'm being a little rude there. The market has been demanding a product with superior stability and performance. Now we are providing one. BitMEX, however, provides leverage on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies up to 100 times. With the latest move, Binance has fired a direct shot, bang, at BitMEX, one-upping the exchange with an even higher leverage. It's the truth, though. That's the truth. That's some juicy leverage right there. Look, look. However, Zhao doesn't recommend it to new traders, and this is the truth. Like, if you don't know what you're doing, well, first of all, just don't turn the leverage up yet. Wait till you get to a certain point. Then play with it. And don't crank it all the way to 125. Just, give yourself 10 times leverage. Then a little 20 times. Slowly crank it. Right? It's a long-term play. That's why they're called futures contracts. They're in the future. This is a long-term play. If you're one of these guys doing the futures. Yeah. So, Changpeng Zhao told the new traders, he says, use high leverage with extreme caution. Don't recommend it for new traders. So, given that it's extremely risky, you might want to hold your horses before jumping on the 125 times leverage, as warned by CZ himself. And that's what I like. At least he's admitting to the people, like, guys, if you don't know what you're doing, be careful. I mean, we're giving you the tools to be killers. If you're a killer, come in here and we're giving you all you want. Like, you know what I mean? Guys like me, they're giving us all. But look, if you're just some new, you don't understand, just careful, real careful. So not every feature, this is what he says, not every feature is for everyone. Some features, while not liked by everyone, are in high demand, only for small select groups. Please don't use features you don't like or need. At least he's being honest about it, Further explains CZ. So as a platform, we have to provide choices to stay competitive. Exactly. You want killers, but you want to protect your clients. And at least you're telling their people, look, guys, be careful. And I appreciate that about Binance. That's one thing. I've always liked Binance, man. The customer service, all the hard forks we got last year, boom, Binance gave them to us. All those, you get those coins, the dividends, right? We got the VTHO thing when we had you put your VChain on Binance, bang, and they would give you the extra coin thing. Ontology, you'd get the extra coin. Neo, you get that extra, what is it called, gas or something, right? Like, I like Binance, good customer service, man. It really pisses me off that they fucked around, and I'm American, and so now we have to deal with this Binance US crap, which is a piece of garbage, right? I liked that old one, man. It was just nice and convenient. All the coins, I could just buy whatever I wanted. Yes, I couldn't get the Factum, but other than Factum, I got everything else I ever wanted. Man, I miss being able to go over there. But my checking account's probably happy because I can't buy too much shit. Look. All right. Just last month, Intercontinental Exchange launched its physically settled Bitcoin futures platform, Backed. Although the exchange recorded extreme low and disappointing volume, commentators believe it will catch up. And I told you. Look, it looks like Brexit is over with, man. Wow. It looks like Boris Johnson. That's the president, the prime minister of the UK. It looks like he came up with a deal. Now he's got to bring that back to the parliament, and the parliament's got to vote on it. And so we'll see if that goes through. And it also looks like Trump has. I think we're done with this trade war for now with China. He backed off pretty big, and so we'll see. Like I said, I still haven't heard anything from the Chinese confirming this. So, but it looks like stuff is happening good. And so what I taught you guys about risk on and risk off, right? And so when things are good, well, bang, institutions go risk on. Well, that means they'll come right on over here. Hopefully, they'll trickle in slow. And that's what we need. We need good markets. This fantasy about, yes, if a market crash, people are going to come here. Fuck no. That's not going to happen like that. It doesn't work like that. But in a good markets, oh yeah, they'll come here. And so the British boys, they're going to get their Brexit. Well, we'll see. We'll see when they vote. Fingers crossed. Let's hope it's a good deal. And those guys will come risk on again. Boom. And they'll start coming into the market. And then let's hope that this Trump trade war thing is over. Well, he said phase 1. So obviously, if it's only phase 1, there must be other phases. But it looks like there's some sort of, well, he says there's something being hashed out. But like I said, the Chinese, they haven't said anything. And so I'm not sure whether to believe it or not. Because Trump's a lying piece of shit. And so you can't really just believe what he says. I want to hear it from the Chinese first. But if that trade war's over, that'll be really great. All our Wall Street boys will go risk on again. Bang! And we should get a nice inflow of institutional money. At least a trickle to begin, right? Everyone's going to wait and see. But we should get a nice inflow, especially when you have shit like this. Bang! Yes! Fidelity Investments, bitches. Look, fuck sticks. Bang! Fidelity Investments fully rolls out crypto custody service. Yes. Look. Fidelity. Here comes Fidelity. Bang! That's what I'm talking about. Oh, yeah. We got all that shit. We got the Brexit, the trade war cleared up. Oh, yeah. Boys are going to be going to risk on again. Oh, they're going to go risk on. And they're going to want to taste. Oh, they're going to want a taste of crypto. Look. And look, those boys are big boys. Like I said, they don't fuck around with Coinbase and Binance and all this kind of crazy weird little crypto crap. But I tell you what, right now, Fidelity Investments with custody, buy. Of course, they're going to custody with Fidelity. Easy. Of course, Fidelity's a $1 trillion company. Trillion. Oh yes, I said that. If you're new around these parts. I'll just tell you, Fidelity is a. Oh my gosh, you don't understand what they're going to do to this place. They're custodying right now. Let me tell you something. They're going to roll out more. They're going to roll out 401ks. They're going to roll out retirement funds. They're going to roll out college savings funds. You'll see. All this mass adoption talk that crypto lovers talk about. Yeah, going to buy my coffee with crypto. That bullshit ain't never going to happen, okay? I mean, you can go do it. Are you doing it? No. And so what makes you think that soccer mom and dad are going to do it? They're not going to do that. But I'll tell you what will happen. Well, they will get a 401k. Oh, yeah, they'll get a Bitcoin 401k real good, real fast. Oh, yeah. They'll get a Bitcoin retirement fund. Oh, yeah, they already have them, the IRA. There's Bitcoin IRAs already. We read about that one in Australia. Oh, yeah. And wait till Fidelity rolls it out. Oh, yeah. Oh, they're going to have their dude. He's going to have a nice suit. Oh, yeah. Oh, right this way, Mr. and Mrs. Johnson. Come right this way. Hi, my name's Charles. I'm your account manager. Yes, we at Fidelity, we'd like to introduce you to an investment opportunity we think would be great for you. Come right this way. Oh, yeah. Oh, you know soccer mom and dad. You know how soccer mom and dad are going to be. Oh, yeah. Oh, great. Come on, Susie. Oh, yeah. And he's going to bring him right into the office. And that's the kill zone. Yes, this Fidelity money manager, he's going to bring him right into the kill zone. You know what the kill zone has? I'll tell you right now. Look, look. The Fidelity money managers, bang, over his right shoulder, he's got a nice, shiny, crispy college degree. Oh, yeah. Prominently displayed, right? Soccer mom and dad sit down, and they got their little Susie with them. Right? They look, oh, he's got a degree. Smart fella. And then you know what he has over here? This is the killer. This is the true killer. He's got a picture of him with his wife and child. Oh, fuck. But you know what else he has? And this is the murder one right here. He's got a picture of him fishing with his buddies. Oh, yeah. Just holding up a big old fat trout. Big old fat salmon. Oh, yeah. Ugh. Like that. You know what that means? Let me break down the kill zone for you. So what he does is this. The Fidelity guy, come right on in, Mr. and Mrs. Johnson. Sit down. Hold on. Let me just finish closing up this account right here. He's not doing anything. He's not doing anything on the computer. Right? He's pretending he's doing work. He's not. He gives them 1 minute. Why? Because in that 1 minute, they're going to see his degree. Oh, he's a smarty pants. And then, you know what happens over? That is the kill zone right there. The wife is going to see the picture of him with the kid. Oh, he's a good man. He's a good, honest man, right? The wife of the kid. Sold. Soccer mama's sold. And you know what soccer dad sees? Oh, he sees that big old trout, big old salmon, right? Probably bigger than he's ever caught. He's like, yeah, this is a man's man. This is the kind of guy I want to hang out with. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. And then Fidelity salesman just, right? He pretends. He's like, all right, so, gosh, we believe we have an investment opportunity for you. You know? Bang. And he pulls out the shiny, glossy. You know how it goes, brothers. I mean, I don't know how it is anymore, but like when I was a kid, right, we'd go to, at work, we had a human resources department, and they'd call you in and you had to pick a 401k when you first got your job, right? They'd be like, all right, blah, 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 sign all these papers. And then they'd show you, boom, boom, boom. And what were they? Oh, the big glossy banking shit, right? For your 401k, right? It'd be huge, but there'd be only a few words on it. They make it so huge. You could have fit that on a little card. But look, they make it huge. Oh, yeah, Mr. and Mrs. Johnson. Look. We here at Fidelity believe that this is a unique investment opportunity for you. Yes, why don't you take a look? And they're sold. They're sold. That's what Fidelity is going to do to this space. I know that was a long story, but I'm telling you right now, all across America, okay, you want mass adoption? You can fuck people. You can fuck all that shit about people buying Starbucks with their Bitcoin. Do you? You can right now, do you? And you're a crypto freak. You watch shit like this, like me. You're a crypto person. So what makes you think magically soccer mom and dad are going to go out and start wanting to get Starbucks with their crypto? Or even get crypto in that, never mind. But look, I tell you right now, what they will get, 401k, bang, when Fidelity man in the suit with the degree in the pictures unleashes on soccer mom and dad, that's game over. Game over, son. Game over. That's the kill zone. Holy. Fidelity is going to set up kill zones all across America. Yeah, kill zones all across America. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, I'll tell you. And Fidelity man, oh, he's smooth. I bet right here. He's got like a little jar with little candies in it. Oh, yeah. He's going to give a little candy to your kid, too. Hey, little Susie, here, have a little candy while I talk to your mom and dad. Oh, look. I know, brothers. I've been yapping. But look, I can't express enough. Fidelity is finally here. So we have CME, bang, doing their futures contracts. I want to do a little wrap-up. I want to do a little wrap-up of American crypto land here. All right, we got Coinbase and all those little crypto crap, little bullshit, little crackhead sites. But look, let's talk about the real. Bang! We got the CME doing futures. Yes. We have Backed, bang, run by ICE, doing their futures. lukewarm reception. But look, like I said, when we get back to risk on, let's see what happens. We'll see. I don't want to get too excited, though, so I'm not going to hype it. But we'll see. And then, bang, now we have Fidelity. Real investment cryptocurrency. Sorry. Well, I'm getting crazy. Investment grade custody. Real institutional grade custody. So, right, because, do you understand? Institutional grade custody. All right. Woo! All right, let's go, brothers. Shit, I didn't even sip through all that. Fidelity. They're an over $2 trillion $2 trillion company. Well, assets under management, AUM. All right, brothers. All right, let's proceed. American financial services company Fidelity Investments has fully launched its cryptocurrency custody service. Bang! And that it also lends legitimacy. Yeah, when a thing like Fidelity is offering crypto, yeah, now companies are like, hedge funds and guys like that. They're like, oh, okay. But, you know, it's real now. You see what I'm saying? All this Binance, Coinbase, all that, that's all just a bunch of bullshit for us. Like retail crap. Okay? In terms of like how those guys, how the institutional investors see it, Charles Schwab is not going to open a trading desk and have it custodied by Coinbase. But Charles Schwab will open a trading desk and have it custodied by Fidelity. Fucking right they will. They probably do already. They probably have trading desks custodied by Fidelity in some sort of manner. Oh, guys, I can't express enough just how amazing this is. It's going to take time. This ain't going to be instant. But the level of legitimacy and, you know, just all that Fidelity brings just blows away everything that's happened so far. Right? It blows it all away. Like, if anyone doubted, is cryptocurrency real? They doubt no more. If I'm a hedge fund guy, I doubt no more. There's no more doubt. And in fact, if I'm a hedge fund guy, I'm looking at Fidelity and I'm thinking, why is Fidelity custodying? Well, obviously, if you're a market guy, you know. If someone's custodying, it's because they have demand for it. That means other boys are demanding it, wanting to come in and make that bread. So if I'm a hedge fund guy, I'm thinking, what? Who's custodying with fucking Fidelity right here? Yo, I got to get in on this. I got to get in quick. A thing like Fidelity doing custody, big boys want in. If I'm a smaller guy, I'm a smaller player. Maybe just a, I don't know, $50 million, $100 million hedge fund or something like that. Oh, I'm seeing the big boys coming now. Fidelity? Look. You see what I'm saying? I mean, that would be my assessment as a market guy. If I was a hedge fund manager, that's how I'd be saying. Even if I didn't want into this crypto space before, now that I see Fidelity here, I'm like saying, look, there's something going on there. There's money to be made around these parts. Right? You know what I mean? Yeah. All right, guys. I know I'm yapping. American financial services company Fidelity Investments has launched its crypto custody service. Abigail Johnson, CEO of Fidelity Investments, reviewed the development in an interview with the Financial Times. And I had that fucking Financial Times article, man, but they didn't let me show you it. On October 18th, Johnson said that the company is ready to roll out its crypto custody business following a year-long preparation and accumulation of clients. They've already been accumulating clients. They've been accumulating clients. Look, look. Nice. A nascent but promising business. Last fall, Fidelity specifically indicated that it would provide an enterprise-grade crypto custody service to hedge funds. Enterprise-grade. That's the difference. That's the difference between Coinbase and all those kind of little bullshit fucksticks. You know, if I'm a $1 billion hedge fund, I'm not trusting that kind of stuff. No way. No way. Will I throw $1 billion on Fidelity's thing? Fucking right I will. Of course. Why not? Of course. Easy. That's not even a question. That for me even just mentioning that was stupid. Of course you would. So last fall, Fidelity specifically that was enterprise, right? Enterprise grade cryptocurrency service to hedge funds, family offices, and financial advisors. Johnson called that, and financial advisors, you know what a financial advisor is, right? Those are the fund guys. I showed you. Your market, this is a market. This is what's traded every day. Funds. Financial. Oh, let me even bang these sons of bitches right here. These guys right here. Financial advisors. That. I know it ain't sexy. You know, if you're a worker bee, you're probably, you're thinking all that, you think of Wolf of Wall Street and all that kind of bullshit. That's not what makes a market. That's not financial advisors make a market. Financial advisors sell people what? Funds. That's all they sell them is funds. And that's what I'm telling you. Fidelity is going to fucking sell these people so many crypto funds, it's going to be out of control. But that's the market. Your retirement fund, your 401k, your child's college fund, savings fund. That's what makes a market, a real market. That's what makes the power. That's what. That's not the way to say it. That's so stupid. That's the meat of your market. I don't know how to say this. Fuck. I tried to tell you guys yesterday and I got upset. But in other words, that's what. It never dies. The funds stay forever, right? Funds last forever, right? Your 401ks, yeah, some people cash out their 401ks, yeah, but other new people are going in all the time. So it just stays forever, right? And that's what makes your market. It'll never go. It'll never, they're not weak hands. There's a thing called weak hands. Weak hands are like people who run away in the markets who, financial problems are happening or whatever, and they run away. That's called a weak hand. So you shake those weak hands out of the market, and then you move forward, right? It's kind of a little mean thing to do sometimes, but look, it's necessary. Yeah, but these guys are not weak hands. These are the weak hands. These guys that trade in and out every day. Oh, I'm in, I'm out, I'm in, I'm out, I'm in, I'm out. These guys, rock solid. That's what really makes a market. I know, I've been preaching that. I've been telling you guys that a little bit lately. All right. I know. All right. How many times you got to repeat that? Settle down, brother. Look. It's a weekend show. You have time. Johnson, right? On the weekdays, I got to get you back to your wives and lives. On the weekends, look, fuckstick. Take your time. Press pause. Go do what you got to do. Whatever the wife's nagging you to do. And then come back to it. Don't worry about it, brothers. I got you. Bang. Always on duty. Bang. Look. All right. So listen, seriously. That is serious, though. Johnson called that kind of service nascent and not developed, but noted its potential, saying, there are people out there with significant amounts of wealth in cryptocurrencies, probably Bitcoin, and they're looking for somebody to hold those coins for them because in the event of their passing, which is going to happen at some point or another, you've got to have a plan to be able to get those coins to somebody else. That's interesting. I was going to read a story to you. I might read it next week for you guys. I read it last year. Well, one of them. I read one about last year, right? Like cryptocurrency is property, Yeah, well, when I die, I want it passed down to my kid. How do you do that? Yeah. And there's this company that does it. Maybe I'll read that next week or something. Speaking about Coinbase's custody offering, Johnson argued that Coinbase is still a company that most people had never heard of. And they don't have the existing relationships with the independent advisors. I told you guys. Exactly. People don't... Coinbase, to these Wall Street guys, it's like some crackhead shit. Like if I opened a custody service, they'd be like, fuck this. Look at this guy. No. Right? But Fidelity, bang! Well, they know all about Fidelity. They're competing against Fidelity, actually. And they know Fidelity probably kicks their asses a lot of the time. So, like, they're not worried. Look! As previously reported, Coinbase Custody was initially announced in November 2017 and launched in July 2018 with an objective to provide robust security of crypto assets, which, according to Coinbase, has been institutional investors' number one concern. Absolutely, of course, you can't. There's nothing without custody. As of August, Coinbase Custody claimed to store assets on behalf of more than 120 clients in 14 different countries. No, aren't they pretty? Watch this. 120 clients? Watch. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to start reading you Fidelity numbers. I can't wait to start reading you Fidelity numbers. It's going to be disgusting. It's going to be disgusting. Look! Fidelity's careful approach to trading crypto. Recently, Kathleen Murphy, personal investing president of Fidelity Investments, said that the firm does not offer cryptocurrencies on retail trading platforms to protect its clients. Yeah, they're being all careful. And that's another good thing. All right, fuck all that. Don't worry about that. When asked when she expects users to trade crypto in a meaningful way on Fidelity's platform, Murphy replied, we're really careful about that. And so that's another thing. And that's why, so like this story here, bang. I love it that this guy, the Binance guy, Cheng, what the fuck is this guy's name again? CZ, Cheng Zhao. The fuck's this CEO's name? Fucking CEO. Changpeng Zhao. Right? I like that Changpeng Zhao. He's telling his people, or potential customers, look, be careful. Right? Be honest with your clients. Right? I like that. And I like the fact that, and then here too, buy, right? Like they're the Fidelity, I mean, I want them to unleash it on soccer mom and dad, but they're being careful about it, right? Because they want to protect their clients. They have think about this. Think about all the people in America that have some sort of exposure to Fidelity. Yeah, whether it's a 401k, an IRA, a child's college fund, or something. You can't have your clients get screwed over by offering them this crypto thing, right? And so they're protecting them, the retailers, soccer mom and dad, which I like that. I like that. I mean, I know it. Well, Shomari, man, but that means we get less money. I know. But how do I say this? I value the safety of the markets over the speed. Look, we're all going to make money. Guy, you're going to get rich, buddy. Whoever you are listening to me right now, you're going to make money. As long as you have working product in your fucking warehouse, you're going to make it. I know it's the matter of time. But I'd rather the time, it takes a little bit more time, but we solidly make this money rather than a haphazard way, and then we don't even get institutional investors or people get ripped off, right? That's one thing. I don't like cheated. You don't I've told the story 100 times. When I first started the Forex market, people were getting cheated hardcore. Americans had accounts in Europe. Those European exchanges would just straight take their money. Take it. They wouldn't even give you your money. So I don't like being cheated. And so I don't mind if it takes a little time. All right. I know, guys. I'm yapping. Look. When asked when she expects you... Wait. Oh, what'd she say? that's right. So this that when she said in a meaningful way, she said, we're really careful about that. So while we embrace crypto in terms of trying to understand it and be innovative and thoughtful, we're also very careful about where we offer those types of things. So they're not offered broadly on the retail platform. They're not doing it retail yet. We want to be, not yet. We want to be very careful about making sure that investors who really aren't institutional investors don't make a mistake with cryptocurrency. So that's what they're doing now. And they're taking their time. Like I said, let it roll out, let liquidity come in, let this market mature. Oh, yeah. And then we're going to get 401ks, all of it. Look. Bang. Here we go. Fidelity rolls out crypto custody. Boom. And that's what they're doing. They're going to roll out some custody. Big names will come in now. Big names. You know what I mean? Like Charles Schwab. Bank Santander. Lloyds of London. Global mega banks will now come in. Like with Fidelity custodying, that's mega bank stuff. Like I said, Coinbase and all that. No, mega banks, they're not even fucking with that bullshit right there. They eat that shit for lunch. But Fidelity now, oh yeah, here come the mega banks. It'll take time, brothers. But this is the infrastructure. I mean, that's what I try to do with this channel, show you the infrastructure of this market being built out, right? The infrastructure of this market being built out, right? All that Coinbase and Binance crap, that's fucking bullshit. That's us. That's what we buy from. Okay, spot market nonsense bullshit. Now, what we're waiting for and what we're watching is big time stuff. This type of stuff right here. Institutional grade, right? That's what we're waiting for. And that's what takes time. But it's slowly being built out. Right? Like I said, CME, bang, got their futures. Backed, ICE, bang, got their futures. Now we're seeing Fidelity come in, bang, right? These are mega boys. That's what we want here in this place. Mega boys. Right? All these little crypto nerd shit, fuck all that. Coinbase, Binance, Bitfinex, BitMEX, bit this, bit that, bit, fuck all that. These big boys that we need, bang, institutional investors, mega hedge funds, 10 billion, 20 billion, $50 billion hedge funds. They need names like this Fidelity to custody with. Oh, and now they got it. They're not going to fear now. Not anymore. No. So look, let's see how it goes. Brothers. I know, I've been talking about this Fidelity story for about a good half hour here, haven't I? That's how important it is. I've told you the importance of custody. There is nothing without custody. Nothing. Stocks, bonds, swaps, futures, derivatives, nothing. Your fucking E-Trade account, fuck that. There is nothing you wouldn't have it without custody. Oh, yeah, exactly. Right? Fidelity's offering custody. Crypto custody. You understand? Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. This is what we've been waiting for. Well, one of the things. It doesn't get better than this. It doesn't get bigger than this. Charles Schwab, big mega banks and that, yeah, they're not afraid to custody with Fidelity. Fidelity has more money than they do. Yeah, they're not afraid. You know what I mean? Coinbase and shit, fuck that. They're not doing that. That's crackhead shit. Fidelity, multi-trillion-dollar mega monster. If I'm a $50 billion hedge fund, no problem. No problem. This is great news. All right. Look, let's get to the last story. I know. Man, you harped on that Fidelity shit a long time, dog. Because I want you to really understand how amazing it is. Because, and I'll tell you right now, you know, we're going to see the true nature now. We're going to see the true nature of this crypto beast. How much demand is there really for this crypto stuff? Right? I mean, obviously, only Bitcoin and Ethereum and Litecoin and shit are regulated, so we'll still see the other stuff. But now that Fidelity is custodying, there's no excuse anymore. No excuse anymore. So, I don't know. Let's see. All right, brothers. Bye now. Here's a good lighthearted story to send us home with. Bitcoin could become a store of value as institutional interest increases. Yeah, daggone right. And especially when you got bang shit like this, you know, institutional investment is increasing like a motherfucker. Look. Yep. So it goes down, brothers. Let's read. Institutional interest in Bitcoin has seen a significant rise in 2019. Nice. As several derivative financial products on top of Bitcoin have flooded the market. Active exposure of these investors to the digital asset realm has brought back the debate about whether Bitcoin is the new store of value. Of course, it's a store of value, not the store of value, but it's a store of value. According to Grayscale's managing director, Michael Sonnenschein, there has been a certain shift in perception for sure. Sonnenschein appeared on The Scoop recently to discuss the impact of institutional investors' exposure to the digital asset class. The managing director of the firm believed that although gold had been the standard store of value for centuries, and it made sense in the physical age, but given the rapid growth of the digital monetary age, Bitcoin for sure is challenging to become the new store of value. I agree completely. He explained, exactly, I've been telling you guys this from the very first day of this channel. You know, all this bullshit, yeah, I'm going to go buy Starbucks with the fucking Bitcoin. That ain't going to happen. But store of value, fucking right it will. It's scarcity, and you know how much there is. Right? Gold, it's a store of value because it's scarce. Well, if it's so fucking scarce, how come you keep pulling it out of the ground? Right? Diamonds, oh, they're so valuable because they're scarce. Yeah, but you guys keep pulling it out of the ground. There's always more and more. How scarce is it? You don't know. But I'll tell you one thing. We do know how scarce Bitcoin is. There's only, what is it? I don't remember what the number is. Now I feel stupid. But look, you know the number. There's only that many number. Bang. And that's it. You can't keep pulling them out of the ground. Right? And, so that's going to create the value. And that's why store of value, I told you guys, I think 5-10 years from now, owning a Bitcoin is going to be something you brag about. Like, I have one. Like that. You know what I mean? Like, you have a whole one? Like, people will, a whole Bitcoin? Like, that's how it's going to be. I think. You know, I could be completely fucking wrong, but we'll see. But I think that's how it's going to be. All right, look. I know, I've been yapping hardcore tonight. All right, look. So he explained, it is now nearly 2020, and we're starting to ask investors this question, which is, what constitutes a store of value? It historically has been gold, but that may have made more sense for a physical age. As we are fully immersing ourselves now in this digital age, perhaps gold doesn't hold up as much as it once did as that store of value, and perhaps investors need to think about a digital store of value such as Bitcoin. And I agree completely. Store of value. That's what Bitcoin's going to be. It's going to be a store of value. And like I said, You ain't going to be buying fucking coffee and shit. Do you guys do that now? No, you don't. And you guys are crypto guys. So what makes you think soccer mom and dad are going to do that? They're not going to do that, but they will. Buy. They will go to full Fidelity investments, and they will get a flipping IRA. They will get a flipping child's college fund. They will sign up for a flipping Bitcoin, Ethereum 401k. You daggone right they will. You daggone right. Especially these millennials. Oh, they'll sign up real good, real hard. Real hard. I mean, look at the large caps this year. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. Yeah, they're up over 200%. I know. These prices. Buy. This right here. Oh, Bitcoin's only at 7.9. Ethereum's at $174. Where's Litecoin? Litecoin's at 53. Yeah, look at what they were at the beginning of the year, though. They're up over 200%. And that's why anyone who talks shit to you, oh, look at your fucking Litecoin. Look at your fucking Bitcoin. Look at your fucking shit. Yeah, I'm up over 200%, dick, from the beginning of the year. How your Microsoft shares looking, fuckstick? Yeah, that's what I thought. How your fucking Facebook shares looking, motherfucker? Ha, and I know those Uber shares aren't looking good at all, especially if you bought IPO. Yeesh. Yeesh. Yeah. Talk to me about my fucking crypto. Look, bitch. Don't talk to me about that bullshit. That's what you tell them. You know what I mean? Oh, yeah, dogs. Oh, shit. This fuel's kicking in. We're getting hardcore. Look. So you tell them, sons of bitches. I'm up over 200% on my large caps this year, son. Yeah, but your V-chains and your stuff ain't doing anything. Yeah, because these guys can't get it yet. Yeah, because they can't get it yet. Oh, yeah. Which gives me time to buy more. Fuckstick. You're looking at it the wrong way, you motherfucker. Oh, yeah. You're a dumb motherfucker, ain't you? You're a stupid motherfucker. Look. They can't get it yet. So I just keep getting to accumulate. Bang, accumulate. Bang, accumulate. Bang, in the warehouse. Bang, in the warehouse. Bang, get more. Bang. Because when they get here, oh, look. Look. It's going to be a slaughter. It's going to be phenomenal. Right? So that's what I want you to tell all your fuckstick friends. All those fucksticks. Oh, yeah. My Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, I'm up over 200% already on the year. Oh, yeah. My small caps, I might not be up yet. But when they get here, oh, yeah. Look, brothers. Holy, we're yapping tonight, aren't we? Getting a little angry. Look, because you got to tell them. Got to tell them like that. All right? Fucking talking shit. Look, my shit's up 200. And the rest of my shit, bang. Yes. Just waiting for a tsunami, homeboy. Just waiting for a tsunami. Institutional investors hold the key for Bitcoin. Let's get back to the story. My yap. Institutional investors hold the key for Bitcoin and any other digital asset to gain mainstream adoption. Exactly. Institutional investors hold the key and any other. Bang. Look. For all of these, for any other digital asset to gain mainstream adoption. Bang! I mean, I don't call it mainstream adoption. I know what this guy's talking about, but just, they can't get here and get the V-chain yet. Can't get those IOTAs yet. Can't get those Cardanos yet. Oh, that fucking Factum. I thank God that they can't get the Factum yet, so I can get my hands on some of it. Look, and I thank you, all you brothers who showed me where to get it. Oh, man, I'm not going to bullshit you. I don't like those ghetto-ass exchanges, though. But I'm going to go on them. I'm going to get my shit. Look. Thank you, guys. Love you guys. Bang. There you go. Kisses. What am I doing? Bang. There you go. A couple girls told me some shit. That's why. Look. More importantly, these investors using Bitcoin as a hedge fund and store value to diversify their investment portfolio, as well as make a quick capital gains on their investment. Fucking right. Like I just said, you just went up 200% in 1 year. There is no such thing as that in any of the other markets. So the increasing interest of institutional investors is evident from the fact that Grayscale registered its highest. Oh, okay. Let's slow it down. Slow it down, brother. Look, the increasing interest in cryptocurrency of the institutional investors is evident from the fact that Grayscale registered its highest gains in the last quarter, with over $250 million raised from investors. Binance has registered the highest daily volume of over $700 million from its Binance futures platforms, and Bakkt has launched its futures contract recently, while CME's futures contracts year-to-date volumes have seen a significant rise over the past year. So, buy! Look! All right, there's been a lot of yap. So here comes the money, brothers. Here comes the money. We got the money coming from buy. Yes. Binance futures. But those are retail investors. That's bullshit. But then buy. Yes. Institutionals, baby. Oh, man, brothers. Fidelity. I can't express it enough. Don't worry. I'm going to leave. I'm going to leave this page real quick because I'll sit here and talk about this forever. Look. I tell you, it's the favorite time of my day. I'll sit here and talk to you about crypto and money for 4 hours if you want. So I'm going to be nice to you. Fidelity Investments, here they come. And then buy. Yeah, let's get away from that one. Here comes the buy. Institutional interest. Here it comes, brothers. So that's what I'm telling you. Sit down, hold tight. Fill your cryptocurrency warehouse big. Buy. Fill the cryptocurrency warehouse nice. Buy. Fill the cryptocurrency warehouse strong. With what? Revenue generating product. If it's making money, you buy that. Oh, yeah. You buy that. I know. A bunch of you fucksticks, you own a bunch of shit. I know. Test nets and weird stuff. Stop all that. Stop that. There's enough good stuff out here right now. You're here for money. So invest in revenue generating products. Buy. Yes. That are going to bring you the money. You know what I'm talking about? Your VeChain. Buy. Your IOTA. Buy. Oh, yeah. Your Factum. Buy. Your Stellar. Buy. Tron. Buy. Okay? That's what you got to do. That's how you got to do it. Look, brothers. All right, let me get you back to your weekend. So let's just use some shout outs and let's wrap it up. Look. Oh, wait, wrong. Bang. That's the bang. Oh, and look at who's right at the beginning. Look. Van Brienen. Oh, Lee. You're right at the beginning like this. Oh, he snuck up right there like that. When did he do this? Yes. Van Brienen. Michelle. This is Miss Van Brienen now. Look, Van Brienen, send me a picture of your mom, brother. Come on. I'm going to put it right here. Send me one of those T-shirts you sent me with a picture of your mom's face right on it. And I'm going to put it right here. Yeah, man. My brother, one of the brothers, I'm going to tell you something. Van Brienen, you don't know. You're famous here. Yeah, man. People around here, we say it. Van Brienen. Yeah, my friends say it. You're a famous guy here in South Beach. All my friends know you. And they know Van Brienen. So send me a picture of your mom. Anything. Well, of your mom, though, right? I'm going to put it right here. Because my buddy, he said to me, she'll be the patron saint of the cryptocurrency blockchain channel. Yes. That's what she's going to be. She's going to be the patron saint of the cryptocurrency blockchain news channel. Yeah, send it. Yes. Everybody around South Beach, we all say that. Van Brienen. We all yell it. Yeah, you don't know, man. It's funny. You'll see when you get to Noah Fest. You're going to be like, dag on. Shit, I got Russian models yelling Van Brienen. Look. Michelle, my son, my precious son. the light of my life, the fruit of my womb. You stay downstairs all the day. All the day. Your friends, they come. You don't talk to them. The women, they want you to take them for a walk, for some food, something. I'm bringing Michelle on a date with them. But you do not. What are you doing down there? Look. Leave me, woman. You know nothing of these things. Binance has come up with the futures contracts, mama. And they're offering 125 times. Leverage, mama. What do you know about such things? And look, mama. Oh, hey, he's about to get in there. Mama, look. Fidelity. The Americans. Look. Mama, the Americans. Fidelity. They have fully rolled out their crypto custody, mama. The institutions are coming down, mama. 1 billion. 10 billion, mama. $50 billion. Cryptocurrency, mama. Look. Oh. And mama, look. I am down here working because cryptocurrency is a store of value, woman. I need to store it. Save it. Have it. So look, mama, you ask me, what do I do downstairs? Look, I'm investing in the cryptocurrency, woman. Now, leave me. Bye. Yes. That's how it goes. That's how it goes, Michelle. That's how it goes, Van Brenen. Look. Benham, what you talking about? Bye. Benham. First of all, love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. What are you talking about? CB News. Follow me on this new, very exciting Morpheus Labs research thread. Look at this pic below. Interesting, huh? Morpheus Labs in the middle of a gigantic multinational companies like IBM. I know, and I looked at this earlier. So this is Morpheus Labs. First of all, bye. Give it a like. All right, well, whatever, man. If they're making money, we'll make money. Bye. Oh, sweetie. Look. Bye. Stallion. Love you, sweetie. Look. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Bye. What's she talking about? Honor and respect. Thank you, Father God, for sending me a true blessing, teacher, and mentor. Oh, black, white, gay or straight, Christian, Muslim, or Jewish, we're all people. Words of the wise. Daggone right. Look, and the market works for all of us. There is no racism in the market. Bang, there is no sexism in the market. Bang, there's no homophobia in the market. Bang, none of that. Treats us all the same. Bang, greatest show in the multiverse. You daggone right it is, girl. Bang, that's how we go. Benham, what are you talking about now, brother? Binance US added. Oh. Binance US has added FDIC insurance coverage for US dollar deposits. Look at you, motherfucker. All right, so if you're new here, or, I mean, if you don't know, let me just tell you. Here in America, we have a thing called the FDIC. That's the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. And so all of our money in the banks is insured up to $250,000. So if you have $300,000 and your bank goes under, you get your $250,000 back, but you're going to lose $50,000. But you fucksticks don't have that much, so don't worry about it. And so here in America, our money is actually insured. Yeah. So market crash, whatever. So what? If you have less than $250,000, you get your money back. And so they're saying Binance has that now. Nice. Right. Any deposit taking financial institution can become FDIC insured. That's amazing. That's amazing. Yeah, that's amazing. I'll tell you right now, I have stuff on Coinbase. I have my Bitcoin that I own is on Coinbase right now. I don't have it in my Ledger Nanos. Yeah, because it's FDIC insured. You don't have to worry. And that's amazing. So, bye. All right, Biniam. Cool. That's for Americans. It's for the rest of you. Look. Biniam, what are you talking about? Bye, he said. Oh, right at the beginning, he banged me. He gave me a bang. Look. He said, CB Newswire. Bye. Fidelity is that. Oh, Fidelity. Oh, I just read it to you. Fidelity's. Oh, this is the exact story I just read. Look. Bye. All right. What did we read? Right. Custody. Oh, yeah. Custody, baby. Look. Poppy Wood. Bye. Love you, brother. See. Whoop. Oh, you jumped over there. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. What else we got? Edwin. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Yes. We're going to have some Edwin. A little duct tape. We're going to head over and get some red curry. I'm going to leave Edwin in a room with a motherfucker. Yes. A little duct tape and some power tools. Yes. You want to meet Edwin like that? Bang, brother. Yes. I had to give him a double bang there. Bang. Rob, what you got? Bang. That's what you get. What we got? Bang. 420. Oh, I'm about to 420 right now. All right. I'm not going to. All right. Oh, Poppywood. He's a Tron lover. Look. Poppywood. I know we did you once, but we get another one for you. Bang. Fellow Floridian. And he's a DJ, so DJs are cool guys. They get double portion sometime. Look. What we got? What's this? The female crush. Now, look at you, big-titted woman. Bringing you the hottest females from around the planet. What? The fuck you doing on my shit, bitch? I live in South Beach, whore. I got the hottest bitches from around the planet. Bang! Fuck, I fuck them every day. I'm about to fuck one right now. No, I'm not going to tonight. Maybe tomorrow. Look. Son of a bitch. Bang. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Yes. Oh, and then, to see his thing. Bang. Yes, Ron Kaz, I love you, brother. See you, brother. One of the originals. Bang. All right, that's all the usual suspects. One more. I'm bleeding. Bang. All right, let's get out of here before I see some more Van Breeden and get sucked into it. Before I get sucked into the chaos. Wait, what are we doing here? Oh, this. Bang. There we go. Bang. All right. Yes. The fuel, everything's nice. Look, when you hear about Fidelity, brothers, that's a good day. That's a good day right there, brothers. Let me tell you right now, I love this show. Oh, yeah. But Fidelity today, mwah. Oh, my gosh. It's such a thing of beauty, brothers. I can't express to you enough. Can't express it enough. You did express it. You talked about 45 minutes about it. No, I know. But that wasn't enough. Look. All right, so let's just wrap this shit up. And let me get you back to your wives' lives. So look, Binance one-ups Bitfinex. I think they meant BitMEX. They're going to offer 125 times leverage. Look, if you're going to do that, man, be smart, fuckstick. Be smart. Learn about leverage. Go to investopedia.com. Type in leverage. Learn about it. But, I mean, you should do it. Oh, yeah. At that OKX one, you should be doing that. I told you guys, I'm surprised I haven't heard these European guys, the European brothers yet. Shomari, I'm up this yet. All right, well. All right, so bang, be careful with the leverage, brothers. I'm telling you, be careful with the leverage. I blew out a bunch of accounts when I first started trading. Yo, my first account, I blew out the first week. I didn't understand. Bang! That's what happened to me. Bang! It was Van Breeden. Bang! I got thrashed. But then when you begin to feel it and you begin to understand it, you'll get it. Well, that was 400 to 1 leverage. So, but still 125 leverage. That ain't bad. I mean, that ain't great, but that ain't bad. I'll tell you that. That's great stuff. That's good stuff. And then Fidelity, fully rolls out crypto custody, yes. 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 That is what will bring institutional, the megas. You know what I'm talking about? I'm talking about Charles Schwab, Santander Bank, Societe Generale, global banks, Bank of America, global banks, when they have Fidelity custodying their stuff, right? If I'm a mega hedge fund, I ain't putting that shit on Coinbase or something. Are you crazy? They only had 100, whatever insurance on it anyway, so you can't. But I'm a mega billionaire hedge fund, $1 billion hedge fund. Oh yeah, Fidelity, all the way, baby. Look, and then finally, Bitcoin is a store of value. Well, that's what I've been telling you, brothers. Store of value. Yeah, that's what it's going to be, man. Like a bond. It's going to be a store of value. It's going to be, I told you guys, I think, like I said, five years from now, it'll be something you brag about. It'll be something like, yeah, I have a whole Bitcoin. You have a whole one? People will ask, you have a whole one? Like that. Yeah, I have a whole Bitcoin. Actually, I have 3.1 of them. Right? People will be like, oh, you have 3.1? Like that. And a store of value. Yeah, just like gold. I think so. So I agreed with that article right there. So look, let's get you back to your wife's live. Let's get you to your weekends. And let's shill it and kill it. Look, subscribe below. Press the bell. You get automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show in the multiverse. Look. My name is Shomari Clarke. Love talking money. Love talking crypto. This is the favorite time of my day. So look, until Tuesday. Thank you for having me in your home. Have a great weekend. Enjoy it with your loved ones. And I will see you on Tuesday. We'll be back at it. Yes. Back at the grind. back at the wheel. Grinding it out. But look. Remember this. Eventually the flood comes. Eventually this will pay off. And look. This is well worth the wait. This is well worth the wait. Bye. My name is Shomari Clarke. Bye. Love you guys. See you next week, Tuesday. Always on duty. Bye. Over and out.